Hello everyone, my name's Stephen Macrae, and today I'm going to give you a very brief tutorial on Microsoft PowerPoint. Uh, it's a very popular application. It's very easy to use, it's very versatile, and you'll be able to use it both in your academic endeavors and in your future careers. The goal of this presentation is to give you the very basics on how to open a new PowerPoint presentation, how to format the background, insert pictures, insert some text box, and maybe a little bit of animation. So with that being said, let's go ahead and we will go. The first thing you want to do is you want to go up to File, and then we're going to go New. And then we have some options here. There's a lot of templates that are built into PowerPoint that you can use. I would encourage you to play with those and see what they're like. But for right now, we're just going to have a blank presentation. So now that we've got this blank presentation up, this is our first slide. And we can go ahead and we'll go up to Design. And then we'll come over to Format the Background. So we can choose, you can put in a picture, and that will allow you to choose a picture off your hard drive or search for one online. For this one, we're just going to go ahead and do a gradient fill. So right now it's come up with a gradient fill that I had previously, but you can change this, you can change the colors, you can change how the colors slide in there using these sliders. And the other thing that you can do is you can apply the same background to all your future slides. So now that we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is check to see our layout. We don't have to go with this default layout. So we're going to come up to Layout, and then you get all these different options. So it gives you plenty of leeway to create a slide that suits what you're trying to teach. We're going to just go with a blank slide, and the next thing that we're going to do is insert a picture into this slide. So we go up to Insert, and we're going to select Pictures. We're going to get this from the device, our device. You could surf online and pick a picture, but for the purposes of this, we're just going to slop in this submarine picture right here. You can move it around where you want it on the slide. You can change its size, and then click outside, and that's where it's going to be. The next thing that we're going to do is insert some text. So we can select text box. We can put that wherever we need it, and then we can just simply type in the box. And much like Microsoft Word or whatever word processing application, it's very much the same. You can copy, and you can paste, and you can paste. And now we have 3 text boxes. Now the next thing that we're going to do is give a slide a little bit of life, and we're going to add some animations. So we go up to Animations, and we select one of these text boxes, and we can have it fly in. And we can check another one. We can have it wheel in. And then we can do the third one where we're just going to have it bounce in. Now that we've done that, we can check to see what this will actually look like if we were in a presentation. So we can go up to this little slideshow presentation, click that, and as you click, the different animations come in. That's what it's going to look like. So the next thing I'm going to show you is we go back to Home, and when you're happy with this slide, you just select a new slide, and in it pops previously populated with the background you chose. And you can totally change that. It's not set in stone. You can have whatever background you want. That is the basics of how to get started in Microsoft PowerPoint. As you probably noticed, there's a million options that you can use to put information into your slides. You can bullet point things. You can insert videos, have them automatically play. There's a lot that you can do with this application. So experiment and have fun. Hope you got some value out of this, and thank you for your time.